Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Justin, and today I will teach you the process of uploading products to your TikTok shop. So, let's get started. First things first, ensure that your TikTok followers count is at least 1,000. This is a requirement to open your TikTok shop. Once you've met that, head over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center app and sign up with TikTok. Click Confirm and let's get started. Now, here we are in our TikTok Shop dashboard. To add products, simply click on Add Products. Next, upload the picture of the product you want to add. You can add up to 9 pictures for each product. Once done, click Submit. Now, let's fill in the details. Enter the product name, like beach dress, and a brief product description. For example, this dress is best for the beach. Select the appropriate category, such as casual dresses. Filling out product attributes is optional, but recommended. Provide details like season, embellishment, size type, dress length, fit, and material. Once done, click Submit. You can also add videos of your product here. Now, let's set up the size chart. You can use the size chart tool or upload an image. Enter the size options for bust and waist, and click Submit. Now, choose the variation type, like single or multiple variations. Enter the retail price, stock quantity, parcel weight, and other details. Review everything and click Publish. Your product will be under review before going live on your TikTok shop. Once approved, it will be available for purchase. And that's how easy it is to upload products to your TikTok shop. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.